Gurpreet, you are telling us that Punjab Police has cancelled leaves of all its officers. What else can you tell us?
Well, yes, we are reporting from district Firozpur, and we have come into interior of district Firozpur, where we have seen that a lot of precautions have been taken by the local administration. One side, all the schools have been shut down in all over the district, so that there should not be panic among the parents, and the children should be at home. And the way we have seen, the multiple mock drills are being carried out by the local authorities, so that the people should be aware of the situation. And the way we have seen the piquant situation between both the country at this point of time, multiple discussions are being carried with the local administration, so that we have seen whether it's the blackout rehearsal which is already taken place in Firozpur 2 times, so that the people should be familiar. Nobody is allowed to move towards the border area. We are also reporting from district Firozpur, but nobody is allowed to go toward border area. Not only here in this district Firozpur, we have seen the lot of precautions had been taken in Amritsar also, Gurdaspur also, Pathankot. School have already been shut down, and specifically in Amritsar and Firozpur, we have seen beating retreat ceremony has already been stopped. The way we have seen the situation is going on between both the nations. As of now, what we have seen, the people, they are having high spirit. They say it's the need of the hour to uproot this terrorism, because multiple times the Indians have faced the brunt of this ongoing terrorist activities, and specifically this anti-India activities have been happening from across the border. So whatever Indian government has taken action, that was required at this point of time, and the people here in Firozpur, they are saying that they are with the nation and they are in high spirit, because they say they have already seen 2 wars in 1965 and 1971, but this time the way this action has been carried out against the hideouts of terrorists, that was required. And now the lot of precautions, because these administration, they are getting guidelines from the state authority, and the state authority is already in touch with the central government also. We have seen the multiple decision had been taken by the state government. We have seen Home Minister has already taken the meeting of all the chief minister who belong to the border area, and specifically Punjab is a sensitive porous border with Pakistan, and so that's why we have seen the lot of moments, a lot of blackout rehearsals which are being carried out, and lot of siren and other medical facilities which they are telling, and how the drills will be continuing in this area. So they are saying that the main aim to tell the people that they should be aware of the situation. The moment they will give the siren, immediately the people will be able to understand the situation on the ground. So as of now, we have seen multiple precautions have been taken in the border areas of Punjab. Back to studio.
And